So casually keep diving into
Okay, y'all, so this is a unit that they sent. Her hairline is super nice. I don't know if you guys can see that hairline. So is the lace. The lace is really nice as well. It's not really a color, it's just kind of transparent. So the color that I'm going to put underneath to tint the knots and everything, and the lace will come out perfect. The unit is 180, density is 24 inches, so it's super full. I'm going to do a blunt cut on here. I just like blunt cuts on my blonde, 24 inches. So, yeah, 13 by 4 inside of the cap. With my blonde, I like to go in with the Wella Tango and 7NN roasted pecan. And this is what I like to tint my knots and my lace with. And you just add a little bit of developer to this. I believe it calls for a 20 or a 30, but all I have is a 40, and a 40 will definitely work with this. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. You can use, there's another color that I like when they're out of this one, because they're out of this one a lot. This was actually the last one that they had in the store, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with that. I'm taking my mixing bowl, some developer, and the color. And y'all know I like to open my color from the bottom just so I can get all of the product out. You can squeeze this a lot more and get the rest of that color out, but because I have nails with white tips on and this is a permanent color, I'm going to leave it at that and leave it right there. But there is still more product in here if you are doing it, but if you need it, but I'm not doing the whole head, I'm just doing the lace, so I'm going to stop it right there. And you just want to add equal parts of developer, and this is what my mixture looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying it. Now you can wait until it takes color, because the color of this is going to change to a brown color. And you can wait if you're a beginner, just so you know you don't get too alarmed once you start. But we know I already know what's going to happen, how it's going to look. So we just going to go ahead.
keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Alright, and this doesn't need to sit super long because you won't be able to like see the change until you kind of like wash it out. But yeah, it doesn't need to sit super long. And for the hair, we're just gonna tone it. For the actual hair, like the shaft of the hair, we're just gonna use our blonde products. These are the Blonde Brilliant products. These are my favorite products to use for blonde hair, especially if I'm not gonna use a permanent toner. I like to go in with my blonde product. So I have the blonde temporary color care brass corrector that I like to go in with. And then I like the temporary color care conditioner toner, which is also a purple toner. And both of these are vegan products, paraben free and cruelty free. So I love this for my blonde. So today we're not going to actually be like using a Wella toner on the hair, you know, T18, the girls love T18. We're not going to be using that. We're going to go in with blonde. So while I let that sit, I'm just going to show you guys what they sent. They sent some lashes. They sent an elastic band to melt that lace, girly. And they sent us a satin bag to store the wig in. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's already like shifting. The color is getting a little bit darker. The thing with this is, it's not going to look as dark as it actually is getting. So this is like right here, right now. This is about 2 minutes from completion. So you do not want to leave this on here for like 10, 20 minutes. 10 tops, but really like 6 minutes and you're good. 5 minutes and you good. 6 minutes and you great. So 10 would be tops. I wouldn't go past 10 because unless, now if you are a little bit darker than me, like if you have like a little bit of more, you have a little bit more pigment in your skin than me, 10 minutes, 11 minutes probably will be great for you. But to the girlies like my color, if you're lighter than me, this is good. Like you can wash this off right now. But the girlies like my color, you want to do the 6 minutes. The girlies a little bit darker, the 10, 11 mark will be good for you because this only gets darker.
While driving in the backseat, what's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. To please, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter.
It's so you don't mess up your hair by having to use face powders and stuff like that. You see how that just matches my skin? That looks like scalp, but my hair is still blonde, so it just looks like it's growing out of the root. You see that color right there? That's what that step is for. This is so you do not have to put orange-ish, red-ish, red undertone, yellow undertone powder on your 613 lace, because what that powder is going to do is get on the hair and make the hair look orange, because it's not meant to be there. So that's why we do the color underneath the lace, like bleaching the knots, but it's toning the knots. So that's why you do that, because look how natural that looks now. And my hair has no powder on it, and my roots aren't dark, but it still looks natural because we tinted the knots. So that's what that's for. So like this, it doesn't look like you did anything. And maybe even if you look at it like this, it doesn't look like you did much. Like, it's like, okay, that's pointless. That's not pointless. That's not pointless, because now you have this, and you wonder, like, celebrities that you don't see them with like makeup. Their hairstylists don't put makeup on their wig because they do this step, and they might just not tell you about it. But they might charge you for that. But I'm gonna give it to you for free, sis. Just hit that subscribe button. That looks so natural. So I have one side completely installed and flat ironed, and this is the bottom of it. I just wanted to let y'all see how it looks. I'm gonna tie it and melt it with my band, but I haven't done that yet. But this is how it looks from toning and tinting the knots. And you see how my blonde at the root is still blonde. It's not like dirty from any powder or anything like that. It just looks like scalp. No makeup was used, none of that. Just scalp. Trying to see if my part straight, y'all. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and this is how it turned out. This is Yolissa Hair, and this is their 24-26 inch unit in 613, 180 density, I want to say. High density. I'm not sure the density, but it's a high density, and it will be in the description box. This unit is like so nice. Like, I love Yolissa Hair, but like with anybody, like, you have to be careful with 613 hair. But this 613 is like so full, it's so nice. This was a body wave unit, so this was not even a straight unit, y'all. This is body wave, and look how straight she got. And I didn't even like have to like super press her. It was just like, you know, running my flat iron through it. So yes, this hair is so nice. Like, look at it. I love this. And the lace was gorgeous as always, but even on this 613 unit, the lace was still super nice. So here for that, here for that. Thank you, Yolissa, for this bomb unit. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful. So I did show you guys how I get my scalp and everything like that. So hopefully the video was helpful. I love y'all, and thank you, Yolissa, and I'll talk to y'all on my next one.